In this tutorial video, we have a question, a jam pass question on integration. How do we go about this? Solution. For more on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing to do is to take the integration with respect to x for this given function. So if we integrate this, we get x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1. Plus, if we integrate this, we get x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1. And if we watch out, this integral value is bounded by an interval 0 to 2. So we also include it 0 to 2. All we need to do is to make this out, which is x raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus x raised to the power of 3 all over 3. The next thing to do is to put our intervals into the function. So we have the first one is 2. So it will be 2 raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 3. For that of 2 minus 0 raised to the power of 4 all over 4 plus 0 raised to the power of 3 all over 3. So this is how to obtain this. We have succeeded in putting our interval. So the next thing to do is to do the arithmetic. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16 all over 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3, 8 all over 3. Of course, this is 0 minus 0. So the next thing to do is to find the LCM. Of course, the LCM here is 12 all over 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. And 3 multiplied by 16 is 48. Plus 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. And 4 multiplied by 8 will give us 32, which is equal to 48 plus 32 is 80 all over 12. Of course, we can reduce this further. This is our answer, but we can reduce it further. 2 here will give us 6. 2 here will give us 40. 2 into 6 will give us 3. And 2 into 40 will give us 20. So we have 20 all over 3. It then means that our answer will be 20 into 3. 20 divided by 3, we'll have 6, we'll have 3. 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2. So this becomes our answer to the given question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.